Affiliate Marketing 3.0 belongs solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to everybody. And it's great for you to all be joining us on this marathon of Zooms and education that we've had for the last 4 or 5 days. The education just keeps on coming in. The excitement is building and the tingling is becoming more tingly. So we can't wait to get going. Now, Chavez isn't with us just yet. He's going to be with us in around 10 minutes or so. Now, you may have noticed that we have maxed out 500 people. We are maxed out. So if you've got people, if you've got community, if you've got new people, old people, existing people who want to come and watch but aren't able to get into this room, then they're going to need to go to watch it live on the YouTube channel. The link for that has just been added into the chat. So go to YouTube, send the link to your community, to everybody to come and see what we are doing next, because what is coming next sounds and looks like it's going to be absolutely incredible. What an exciting time ahead. We've got 2.5 years we've been here. We've rocked and rolled some of the time. We've had disappointing times. We've had even moderate times. It's been a regular roller coaster for 2.5 years. But despite that roller coaster, the ride hasn't ended. We have got more and more to come. We've seen the introduction of the 3-year roadmap, and we know that there's a 10-year roadmap. So we are here for the long term. Whatever the roller coaster brings, we will ride that roller coaster together. And we will go through the good times together. We'll go through the bad times together, and we will keep showing up day in, day out, week in, week out. We will keep turning up. Anyway, that's enough from me. So let's go to our Lucky. We've got a full panel of leadership this evening. So let's go to Lucky for some opening comments, and then see when Chavez will join us and see who's going to comment next. Lucky, are you with us? That sounds like I'm doing a seance. Sorry, Lucky, I know you're still alive.
Yes, I am, Joe. Thank you. And hello and welcome to UK Prime Time, everyone. How exciting. Just apologies because Zoom has done some kind of upgrade today. And I have no idea. We normally have a room for 1,000 people. So, but today something has gone wrong where it maxed out at 500. So I will have a look and sort that out later on. But I just wanted to quickly give you an update. Exciting update is that Capital 3.0 migration has started today. I know many of you were waiting, and the wait is over. We have now, we can transfer our C30 tokens from AFM to 3FO. So I know Joe has made a video explaining how to migrate your tokens, and he will post it on his YouTube channel shortly or later on. I'm sure Joe will share his link for his from his YouTube channel so you guys can all watch and follow step-by-step guide. We also had a PDF, a step-by-step guide, which was posted to most leaders. So hopefully you have got that as well. And today is very exciting. I can't wait to see what Chavez brings us today and see the demonstration of our new product. And so, yeah, we wait. Chavez is on his way. Hopefully, I don't know how he's going to get in though, because we have maxed out. So, yeah, we'll wait and see. Maybe someone will drop off and then we can bring him in. If you're in from two different devices, then maybe we will ask you to drop out from one of them so then Chavez can join. Yeah, thank you for waiting, and I will pass on to Cole. Do you have anything to add, Cole?
Good morning, everyone. Yes, I've just been looking through the attendees list. There's a very nice collection of familiar names in there. I know I can see Steve Rubin there. He's really excited about this because he's an old-time trader. And he really wants to get into this. And despite the rumours that Jo is my girlfriend or wife, my actual girlfriend has actually made it to a Zoom. I can see her name there. So, hi, honey. Enjoy. But yeah, keep getting your community onto the live stream. We know that there's a lot of benefit of getting this free account access early on in the test net. You won't get any money out of it. It's just to give you experience. So don't have high expectations of this being your financial reward. It is just to test the system out. Chavez is going to challenge you. Break it if you can, because we want to break it in beta, not live. Who else would like to have a comment? Eunice, Rajiv, Chantal, anybody?
Well, thank you, Carl. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, all my fellow leaders and new members, and the member who I know for a certain time we couldn't be together, but now is the time. I really, I'm very excited what Chavez is bringing to us. 50% of the whole thing. Now we have 50% of the picture. This first part of 50% of the picture is amazing. It's no doubt that can be something for people that like decentralization. That will be the best thing that people can do right now. Everybody can join any part of the world. It will be amazing for everybody. This is the first part. The second part that we showed today is the part I'm really excited to hear about it. And I hope, I hope we can have some space to bring Chavez to the call. And anyway, thank you. Thank you, Carl. Let's Rajiji. Now Rajiji is a little bit more older than yesterday. Or before yesterday, I would say. Is Rajiji not here? He's in the waiting room probably.
No, he's here.
He's
We
here?
will be able to bring Chavez in when he enters the waiting room. Mike is in on two devices, luckily, so he'll drop out from one and we'll bring Chavez in.
Amazing. Well, I don't know who got the time to go to Hyperliquid and check it out, the information, play it a little bit. Really amazing URI. Hey, Rajiji, how are you? Go ahead. It's your turn now. It's your turn.
Yeah, thanks. It is fine. Yeah, of course. I did a little study on that Hyperliquid thing, and it was really exciting. Really exciting. Now I don't know what Chavez is getting. He's throwing in a challenge also to beat him. So I'm very eagerly waiting for Chavez to come and see what the product is, because what I read about the product and what I read about the hyper liquid automation, it is so exciting, and it looks like the product that we were looking since so many years, since Boomerang. I believe that probably we have got that product. So, okay, anyways, I will not say anything more. Let us first test and let Chavez come. So
Okay, Chavez, sorry, Rajiv, Chavez is trying to get in the waiting room.
Yeah, he's not able to get. because there will be simultaneously so many people trying to get inside. I don't know how he will get in.
Okay, just wait. I will get Mike to drop out, so then we'll have 499. Then he'll be able to enter the waiting room.
Hang on, Lucky. There's several people in the waiting room already, so they'll jump in first.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. We'll bring him in from the waiting
Okay.
room.
Okay.
Yeah, we should have gone to webinar because we got bigger for webinar. We have like 3,000 people capacity, so we should have done webinar today.
Unless, of course, it altered your webinar count as well.
I hope not. Let's see. Okay, keep an eye on the waiting room, guys.
Yeah, maybe I should say something. I get a lot of messages of people who are wanting to get into the waiting room. So tell your teams to go to the live stream because we have done so well. 500 people, the family is coming back. Now live stream is critical. I'm sure we will make sure that this screenshots being made so that we know who's in live webinar and who's here. You know, don't worry, nobody is left behind. We will make sure that we know what's going on.
Sheva still can't get in. There's still fat 500 on the in the list, on the attendees list.
Sure. Mike has just dropped out. But we have now 12 people in the waiting room from 9. So how are these people joining waiting room?
I'm getting messages that certain people can't open their camera. Is the setting here in our okay.
Okay, we need, if someone is on 2 devices, can I please request you to drop out so we can bring Shabazz in? So we have 13 people in the waiting room. So people are joining the waiting room. Not
Ladies
sure
and gents,
how.
please, if there's somebody here that's on 2 devices, let us know and drop out with 1 device. Otherwise, our option's going to have to be to shut the Zoom down, then bring all the leaders back in first, and then bring you guys in. And that means if everyone else joins before you, you get left behind. So if you're here on 2 devices, then leave on one of those devices. Otherwise, you may not get a second chance to be in the Zoom.
How about we start webinar and share the link of webinar and do the webinar,
Now,
Joe?
Okay, who's Glenn Hampton?
Sorry?
Hold on.
Okay, can we
Okay,
just let me
I've
find,
just moved somebody out.
we still have 500, so that's not
How
going
can that
down.
be?
So I'm going, that's what I mean. So something's happened with Zoom, I'm telling you.
we can all drop out, Lucky, and then again rejoin in and tell Chavez to come in first, get in Chavez first, and then
No, I'm
everybody.
just going to share the webinar link with everyone here, and we just need to just send it out because then we can have more people join. That's what we're gonna have to do.
I'm getting messages. There's a problem with the captions again.
One problem at a time. Let's get a. I will share the webinar link here in a minute.
So, just as a question, if people are in YouTube, do they have to come to the webinar or can they stay there?
Well, there's something wrong, isn't there? Because if people are dropping out, it's not allowing space.
It is, but I think there's so many people in the waiting room trying to get in that as soon as someone drops out, that spot is grabbed by the next person in the waiting room.
Can you open up the waiting room? Let's open up the waiting room then, because Chavez can't get in.
Hey, Joe, can you lock the waiting room, lock the Zoom so that no one can come in, whoever is in the waiting room,
I don't
so
know.
that it doesn't keep on flowing back in?
I don't
That came
know.
from Ian.
Yeah, I don't know, because it's updated and it's only got this option of enable waiting room. And if I turn that off, I think everyone will come in. See if we can we let one person in? See if is Chavez in the waiting room yet? He's not even in the waiting room.
Does anyone have the webinar link from normal Zoom?
Actually,
I've got it here.
Grace is inside of the webinar right now.
No, we need to post the link here.
Yeah, there's a problem because some people are telling me that theirs is showing 469 people. But my screen here is showing 500.
Yeah.
Okay, can I please request someone to get a link of webinar from Telegram
I've got it
and
here.
post it here in the chat so everyone has it to join there. Okay, I think Max posted it. Okay, got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry,
Oh, hang
everyone.
on. Somebody just went down 499. Oh, and then went back up. So what's happening? That's bizarre.
Okay, I'm going to post the link, everyone. And here we go.
Okay.
Paste and there.
Okay.
Let me know once everyone has it. We'll end this Zoom and then meet you all over there.
Okay, let's take 2 seconds. Everybody copy the link that's just gone in.
Chavez is now in the waiting room as well.
Oh, was he?
Yeah. Do you want him brought in?
Okay, so if he is, bring him in.
He should be here now.
Just added him.
Oh, thank God.
But now I think a lot of people left as well. Hi, Chavez. Okay, can you go host Chavez,
Yeah,
please?
done.
Joe?
Okay.
Okay, so if he is, bring him in.
Hello. I mean,
He should be here now.
Just added him.
Oh, people are still leaving. Thank God.
ask them to come back.
But now I think a lot of people left as well.
No problem. They will get in. No.
Chavez.
Hello.
Okay, can you go host Chavez,
Yeah,
please? Joe?
done.
Good problems to have.
Okay.
Okay, so if he is, bring him in.
Hello. I mean,
He should be here now.
Just added him.
Oh,
perfect. Hello, everyone. Shall we start?
Yes, please.
Perfect. So sorry for the delay, and I got stuck on a call, and good good things happen. So yes, and extremely sorry our Zoom account got half of the capacity today. I don't know. We don't know why, but yeah. Please go to YouTube Live. People who are joining. We suggest you to go to YouTube Live and watch live stream from there. You all will be whitelisted. Do not worry. Everybody who is listening to me today is going to be whitelisted. That's my promise. Just stick with us till the end, and I'll tell you how. Okay. So shall we start?
I think
Yes,
everyone's ready,
please.
Chavez.
Perfect. Do I have permission?
Yes, you are co-hosted.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's go. So welcome once again to UK Prime Time. Hope everybody is doing good. And today we are all set to introduce, to begin with the learning of the product we have been discussing from past 3 days, and see it is getting quicker also. Earlier for the new products I used to come to Zooms like for a week, for 2 weeks, and now it's getting in days, and the product launch is like days away. So the whole process is becoming quicker, and the tech team is also becoming quicker in terms of bringing the product. All right, so let me find the white paper. Here it is. So I'll start with the product description first, then we will go to the product functionalities, and then I'll give you all the process as to how people will be whitelisted, how will they get access, everything. So let's start. So presenting you all Rift. Rift is routing intelligence futures trading. This is automated AI-driven execution protocol for retail crypto stocks and commodities markets. So what we have built is a unified trading protocol that works with crypto, that works for stocks, and that works for commodities. You can trade for gold, silver, you can trade with stocks of Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, everything that exists in the market with perpetual trading. That is the whole catch with Hyperliquid. So, and if you all remember from last night's Zoom explanation, it is non-custodial product. It has intelligent automation within the product, and it has one tap execution of trades. You click it and it's done already. Let's look at the performance snapshot. The live test data analysis is not available right now, but you all will have live test analysis once the app goes live for you tomorrow. It has automated trading, AI-powered trade automation designed to remove emotional decision making. As I said, the contest will be to lose money faster with this product. We will ask you to lose money and give us your stats, your wallet stats, that you lost this much money in this period of time. It will be very difficult for the retail users, traders to lose money on the product. The product is built in such a fashion. Then comes the risk management factor of product. I have been repeating the word risk like a couple of 100 times on my Zooms, on my trainings, on my calls recently. It has integrated safeguards designed to protect users during volatile markets. Then comes the execution speed. If we talk about execution speed, we see Hyperliquid, and Hyperliquid has crazy execution speed of 200,000 trades every second. And when it comes to execution speed, we have built this protocol on Hyperliquid, so it is super quick, super fast, and then the community power that is going to enhance with our product, with the automated trading engine, with the fast execution, one tap execution, smart product powered by AI, which is specially built for affiliates and crypto communities which are going to embrace it. So this is the memorandum of the product in 12 parts. I will go in detail one by one. Let's look at the opportunity overview, and most of the things you all understand because last 3 days of training, I gave you the same information in different way, in a very disguised manner, and the same thing I'm going to highlight about the product today. So it is a AI-driven execution protocol for retail, crypto, stocks, and commodities markets. Rift simplifies crypto, stocks, and commodities trading by combining AI-assisted automated trading, market intelligence, and risk management into a single execution flow. Instead of navigating complex trading interfaces, users activate intelligent strategies through a streamlined experience designed for modern retail traders. It is built for retail traders. It is built for retail users. This is the platform overview and how platform is built. The core thesis of the product is focused on retail trading, which suffers from two structural problems: complex execution environments and emotional trading decisions. And what we do is we address both the problems. So we offer simplified execution that increases participation, and we offer automation that reduces emotional mistakes that usually retail users, they undergo with, they face problems and challenges with. That is the emotional trading or over trading, or um, the dilemma that comes from fear, greed, anxiety, then kind of loss, and then depression due to loss, and then over trading in that anxiety and everything. So the result is more efficient and accessible trading ecosystem that we have shaped together in the name, in form of Rift. These are the key indicators we observed during testing. We tested the product with multiple number of traders, professional traders, testers, developers, and we experienced higher user interaction with automated trading strategies that usually traders, users that we tested the app with, they went towards the automated trading strategies rather than manual trading functionalities, and that too is pretty much automatic. Increased execution frequency compared to manual platforms. Then strong community interest in automation assisted trading. These early signals suggest that automation combined with simplified execution can significantly improve trading participation. And that is okay. So this is the vision of the product. We have already discussed about this. Then let's go to the elephant in the room, that's automated trading engine of the product. So product comprises of two things, two streams of trading. One is human centric, where you get to execute the trade. Second one is automated trading engine, where the participation is simplified with the algorithm powered automated trading engine, which gives you the ability to execute, to put your funds into auto trading, and that brings you results as profits every single day. So let's look at the automation thesis of our product of Rift. Manual trading creates two problems for retail participants: emotional decision making, inconsistent execution discipline, that we discussed for last 3 days. How people lose money, how retail traders they lose money, how they lose interest, and then they go back and you know, look for automated strategies, automated systems to trade with. And then if we compare to the professional traders, the institutional traders, how they always win, how retail traders they always lose. So Rift addresses this through automation assisted trading workflows designed to execute strategies with predefined parameters. So, and with this, even automation does not remove the user control. It enhances consistency by enforcing structured execution rules. When you will see the product, when you will see the product workflow, you will understand how efficient, how automated the manual trading is also with Rift. So manual trading is also very automated, and that is the reason why I will challenge people to lose money, and the competition will be to lose money faster, to understand the product, or to understand. It will be very difficult for you to lose money on the product. So how automated trading works? It works with market context processing, the analysis which we were talking about in um, automated institutional trading or structured executed trading. Then there is strategy activation, execution automation. Post that, there is risk safeguards and exit mechanism of the trades that are executed on your behalf with the automation, with the automated trading engine. Now let's understand the difference between automation versus manual trading. Traditional trading requires users to perform multiple steps before executing a trade. So if we compare it to traditional trading, or we compare it to purely manual trading on centralized exchanges, the requirements are to do market analysis, manual order placement, then manual risk configuration, then constant monitoring of the trade that you have executed. If the position is losing, then you put more money and save your position. If you're losing some funds, then you hold your position. Then the anxiety of holding the position again takes you towards placing more trades. And retail users, they think more trades means more money, more profits, but that is not the case. And then the account gets blown away. That is the end result. So Rift reduces the complexity by enabling automation assisted execution through a simplified interaction flow. And the result is faster participation and reduced cognitive overload for users. And why automation matters? It it removes all the insecurities, all the challenges that are faced by retail traders, which are like fear due to market drops, greed during rallies of market, and lack of structured risk discipline that lacks in retail traders. So automation introduces a structured framework that helps maintain consistent trading behavior with our automated trading engine. This improves overall sustainability of trading in participation. Then let's look at the automated trading benefits. Consistency: trade follow predefined logic rather than emotional reactions. Speed: automated execution removes delays associated with manual trading. The moment opportunity comes, offer comes, it is executed by the auto trading engine, and the moment it is executed, then it goes to post trade analysis, and it goes to the exit mechanism of the AI tool that focuses on making exit with you with profit. And that is the whole product in terms of tech specs, how it is built, how it is designed. The whole engine is designed in order to make profits for you, in order to bring profits for you, especially the auto trading engine. Then comes the platform engagement signals. These are not the trade signals I'm talking about. These are the signals that we observed when we engaged with the platform with couple of users. We tested the platform with bunch of users, testers, tech developers. We understood that automation significantly increases user interaction. It So in testing environment, we observed increased trading activity compared to manual trading interfaces, stronger engagement with automated strategies, and higher platform interaction from community-driven users. So we ran some campaigns also on trading forums on Reddit where there were traders, and we gave them free access to the product to test our scripts, to test our auto trading engine to them, and they were more inclined towards the auto trading engine. Now let's look at the Rift automation architecture, how we built it. The platform is designed around multi-layer automation framework that we discussed yesterday in detail. Day before yesterday on Friday, I explained how professional traders, institutional traders, they follow the executive architecture of trading. So the platform is designed, the automation architecture is designed in the same fashion. It has strategy intelligence layer which processes market signals and strategy logic. Then comes the execution layer of the product, because the execution also matters. The smart execution matters. We took one example of slippage last night where we compared two strategies of execution of the same trade with less and more slippage, and we understood why execution is also important part of trade, how it affects the success rate. So the execution layer, which is built on Python, which is very, you can say, essential element of automation architecture that we have designed, which routes trade through optimized infrastructure. Then there is risk layer associated built over the execution layer, which applies predefined prediction parameters. These parameters include your exit strategy, your price parameters on which how ticket size should be selected. If you put, let's say, $10,000 in the auto trading engine, the risk layer will not trade with your $10,000 at once. It will take um portions of capitals, it will take different sizes of tickets, and it will trade with fragmented amount of liquidity at different intervals of time, at different leverages, and at different scales of multiple trades will be executed. So this risk layer is very, very significant part of auto trading engine that we have built. Then comes the user interaction layer, which gives you the simplified strategy activation for retail participants. There are three user interaction layer which are built on auto trading engine, and these uh, interaction layers are licenses of subscriptions, three different licenses. On these licenses, you apply your strategy, and there is, okay, good news, there is no limit of AUM or funds that you can put with a particular strategy. You get a license for auto trading engine, and you have no limit from 1 cent to $1 million, no limit to put for the auto trading engine. So on the basis of classification of the licenses, using the interaction layer of auto trading engine, you will not be restricted to put some amount of money, or you will not be restricted with the amount of funds that you can put into auto trading engine. There will be no such restriction. I believe that is clear. And why it matters for the community: higher platform engagement, stronger community participation, scalable adoption through affiliate networks. Then is about me. We don't need to know that. the problem. Why retail traders they lose money? The same story that I've been giving you, the same concept that I've been narrating from last 3 days, and the rate and the data, the structural issue that I highlighted in yesterday's call, everything that I think you all understand. If you guys were there on call or you watched the recording of yesterday's Zoom or the day before yesterday's Zoom, then you all know and understand the structural issues that are associated with retail traders. Then the workflow, how accounts get blown away, how retail traders they lose whole money within 6 to 12 months, within 4 months, within 6 to 12 months, maximum 1 year, the accounts get blown away. And why these problems were not solved by education, and the emotional trading problem, which is there, of course, in the retail trading industry, fear, greed, overconfidence, impulsive execution, that all we discussed. Then the workflow problem. This is the fundamental problem, fundamental, challenge that is there in the retail trading industry, the workflow issue. There is a lot of n number of chart analysis programs. There are TikTok videos. Again, I'm not trying to criticize Joe here, but yes, n number of TikTokers uh, giving their information. Here's my coin, trade in this, and trading exchanges are there, multiple trading exchanges, Twitter influencers giving you different strategies, different formula, different other approaches, their approaches. They trade at 7 a.m. and they give you strategy at 9 p.m. when they made the profit. And that's like already gone thing. So during this process, important risk parameters are frequently ignored or forgotten. So there are multiple platforms and they cause a lot of confusion, and that's why that causes a huge workflow problem in retail traders, and that's a core reason why retail traders they are always failing in terms of making money, making profits. And why most platforms do not fix this? Because the markets are designed in that structure. Markets are designed in such a fashion that retail users, retail traders must lose money, and platforms they make money, they get their revenue by retail traders coming in, going out. Blowing accounts gets blown away, then new chunk of users they come in, then the old ones they get out, more number of users they get in. And that's the whole life cycle of these trading platforms, and that's how they feed on. Then comes the shift towards the automation that we discussed yesterday. From last 3 days, we have been discussing from 2005 how trading industry is shifting towards automation with algorithms, and slowly and gradually, even in fact, in the stock market, in the commodities, in the forex, there is automation, there is intelligent execution systems, algos that are built. Over these algos, the trading is being shifted, and currently more than 85 to 90% trading strategies are automated, and that's a core reason why professional traders or the uh, the trading houses, hedge funds, they do not fail. Let's discuss about the solution. This is the product DNA of Rift. Rift combines interaction models proven across successful technology platforms. Algorithmic engine of Rift, that is AI-based system that analyzes market signals and identify potential opportunities aligned with trading strategies. The opportunities which align with our trading strategies. That's why I'm saying it will be difficult for you to lose money on Rift, because there will be no window to lose all the money on our platform. There will be window to lose money which is very insignificant per trade. So it will be difficult for you guys to even lose money if we will run the contest of losing money for 24 hours. I tried to lose money today. I managed to lose, let me see. I started with demo account. I was trading, I was practicing and checking the platform functionalities. Let me check my balance right now. Signed out. Okay. I think I lost like $70 or $80 out of $10,000. I just placed some trades and forgot. So, and those were all random trades and everything was random, but it was very difficult for me. That's why I decided we will run this contest once the demo accounts are going to go live with you all. So for 24 hours, we'll run trading hackathon in which the people who lose fastest will be the winners and they will be awarded with some gifts and giveaways. Then comes the automation infrastructure of Rift that aligns trading strategies, and it can be activated through automated execution systems that simply simplify the participation. Our automated trading infrastructure engine that we have built. Then there is simplified interaction in which the product is built both in human and automated trading engine in both ways. Complex trading processes are reduced into simple user interactions. You just click and the trade is executed. You just cross, the trade is not executed, and the trades are closed within seconds. And I will show you in the platform walkthrough right now after 15 to 20 minutes how trades are executed and how you can close all your positions at once. Structured risk management. The word risk I've been repeating and I will keep on repeating for the whole week also. How we have determined, how we have formulated the risk management in a very structured fashion where risk parameters are embedded within the trading workflow that help prevent unstructured trading behavior. So it will be difficult, again, it will be difficult to lose money on Rift. This is the automated trade structure of Rift. There is entry logic, there is risk protection, there is profit targets, then there is strategy conditions, there is risk summary. So I'm telling you, even the manual trading part of Rift is very automated that you will feel like you are running a auto trading ecosystem. And that is also not so manual. Then there is risk summary of the trades that you execute, and then there is exit mechanism that product pushes you to follow. Then there is performance signals, strategy performance metrics that help users to evaluate trading opportunities. So here is the execution workflow of Rift and traditional trading. In general, traditional trading on centralized exchanges or decentralized exchanges, you analyze charts, you calculate the position size, you define stop loss, you place the order, you monitor the position, you adjust the strategy if you're facing loss, then you readjust it, you put more liquidity, you hold the position, you do all that. But on Rift, execution is very seamless. There is automated strategy that appears. This I'm talking about manual trading. This is manual trading execution of Rift. Automated strategy appears in front of you. Then strategy parameters are structured in front of you. Then user activates the strategy. You activate the strategy and system executes your trade. System tells you that this much amount of profit you are going to make with this strategy. You want to go yes, you don't want to go no. As simple as that. So the manual trading is also very automated that it gives you the results, the outcomes even before. And the objective is to reduce the complexity while maintaining the structured trading discipline. With Rift, what we have built, we built structured trading discipline in the product with the help of AI tool and with the help of complex application development skills. That is it. Product is not very complex in terms of execution of or in terms of development. It is built over Hyperliquid, which solves half of the problems of scalability, liquidity, availability of opportunities, everything. What we have built is an intelligent artificial intelligence layer that brings you the opportunity and that gives you the structured layout of the understanding of the opportunity, and you just activate the strategy and make money and sleep peacefully. That is it. So it is a human plus automation model. This execution that we were discussing is the human model. This is not the automation model that we were discussing. The automation model is very, very simple. You just put money and leave it. It makes you money. Simply. Human model is so seamless that it shows you strategies. You activate the strategy, you make money. System executes the trade. System closes the trade also for you. You don't have to manage the exit also for your trades. Human trading is also automated. Okay. So the Rift follows human in the loop model, where automation handles market signal processing, strategy structuring, and execution infrastructure. And the user retains authority over activating the strategy, selecting opportunities, and managing the participation. If you want to exit before the strategy wants you to exit, you can do that. It is a fully in control system with your self custodian wallet. You can do that, but the system also does that for you. So this ensures that a platform remains automation assisted rather than being fully autonomous. It is automation assisted for the users. Human trading part of Rift is so automated that it does everything for you: entry, exit, calculation, risk management, everything is handled by AI before. So you see that you are going to make $4 worth of profit with this trade and you click it. If you don't want to make $4, you skip it. If you go to another trade, another opportunity, you see that this trade is going to make you $2 worth of money. You want to go for it, you go, you execute it, and you place hundreds of such orders, let's say in 1 hour, and you want to go to bed. You want to close all your 100 orders. Even if they are cumulatively, they are making $10 for you and $2 loss, you close all the trades, you sleep. It is as simple as that. This is the human trading aspect of Rift. So from single trades to automated portfolios. Rest automation model I will discuss once the demo version goes live to you and goes it for you, and then we will discuss the automation model. Today we will not even talk about or show you the automation model. Automation model is very, very simple, no brainer. The future automation capabilities which Rift has, it includes additional automation features designed to enhance trading efficiency. Dynamic position sizing. It gives you the idea of the position size that you should adapt with or you should go for. Then portfolio diversification intelligence. You can trade in crypto once stocks, forex, commodities, they go live. You can trade all together, everything at once. You place positions of crypto, stocks, forex, commodities, everything in one interface together. There will be no separate strategy. So provided the stock market, the uh, commodities market, the forex market should be open at that particular period of time. So Monday to Friday, whenever the market opens, you will be able to trade in the specified opening hours of the market, because these markets are traditional financial markets. It's not like crypto, it sleeps. Crypto does not sleep, but it sleeps. Then there is automated portfolio rebalancing. inside Rift that we are building. It will allow rebalancing based on market conditions. So this is a future development that we are doing on top of the built layer that we have uh, developed and deployed right now. Then this is the platform architecture on which Rift is built. Strategy intelligence layer of Rift. Then there is automation layer of Rift. Over the automation layer, there is execution layer, and then there is portfolio layer, which so you will see your complete portfolio in self-custodial wallet, where the assets will be transferred to your wallet with every trade, and with every liquidation, the assets are going to go back liquidated within seconds. And everything happens in milliseconds of time because of Hyperliquid. So this architecture enables a scalable automated trading ecosystem, which we have built already. The fundamental shift. Now let's go to market opportunity. The huge market opportunity that we are sitting on, and today I'm going to again reiterate the potential that we have with the product. This is the global derivatives market, which grows 16% year on year, which is standing at $846 trillion. And alone crypto derivatives are $85 trillion, out of which 78% are perpetual futures share and 13% are done on DEXs, on decentralized exchanges. And if we straight away go to the serviceable addressable market that we have with Rift, global crypto owners are 741 million on this planet. Then there are 20 to 40 million active derivative traders on this planet. Then people who use mobile first trading overlap is around 65% of this population of active derivative traders. Accessible derivative traders we have is 13 to 26 million, which use mobile native segment of trading. So we are currently sitting on, if we chalk out, if we funnelize everything else and we look at the scalable serviceable market we have 4 to 8 million users that we can go to right now to give them a product that is ready to use for them. 4 to 8 million people in the surveys, in the online forums, on Reddit, on different platforms, they're looking for such platform we have built. So you can reach out to these people as soon as possible and give them access. And how do you give access? Let me finish the walkthrough and then I will explain how fast, how easy it is for you to give the access. This is the global derivatives pool of DEXs. DEX perpetuals alone are 14 trillion, out of which the platforms, they make around 5 to 14 billion dollars of fee pool alone. And I'll just show you how profitable Rift is going to be as a business for us, because this is important for you to know also what you are marketing. The product is going to actually make money itself. This is the accessible fee pool that we are expecting around 630 million to 2.4 billion annually in fee that we are going to collect from users, from traders. And this is going to be derived from serviceable market participation, trading velocity, because it's perpetual trading. If I'll place orders with $500 with 10x leverage, it is going to be, and 10 orders are such that in the whole day I've traded more than $100,000 of volume every single day. And if a person does that 3 times a day, that's around $300,000 worth of trading volume per person. So it's a huge market. It's a huge industry that we are going to tap into. The retail trading industry is very, very big. This is the platform scale that we are expecting. In the bear case, 200,000 users. In the base case, 500,000 users. In the bull case, 900,000 users. So why now? Four converging forces of us launching it right now in this market condition. Infrastructure maturity of the industry, of the derivative venues that are there. They support institutional grade liquidity and execution, such as Hyperliquid. There is infrastructure maturity that is available in the market. Then automation threshold, which is AI and automated strategy engines now operate at the production scale. So we are offering you such a threshold for retail users and which is accessible. Then mobile native trading, people love it. It's like game. A large portion of retail traders now access markets primarily through mobile interfaces because it's easy for them to access. Then global asset expansion. As I said, as I gave you the idea yesterday, around 50 to 70,000 new assets, they come into existence every single day. And with these new assets, with these new, uh, cryptos, with these new uh, financial instruments getting into the market, the competition rises. And as the competition rises, the complexity is there in finding the right opportunities. And if the tools are there to find the right opportunities, why not to execute trades and make money over them? Let's look at the critical gap in trading platforms that are there in the market. We are going to compare everything when it comes to Rift. So no existing trading application combines automated trading strategy generation, structured risk management, intelligent position sizing, portfolio automation, one action execution into a single mobile native interface. If we compare it to trading bots, exchanges, brokers, AI tools, DeFi perps, we will find everything in Rift if we compare all these models which are there in market, and the functionalities, capabilities are segregated, are scattered differently in different tools. And that is the core reason why retail traders they lose money, because there are 10 different platforms on which they refer to. So Rift integrates automation, intelligence, and execution in under same roof. Then there is the strategic positioning with automated trading infrastructure, which we are not going to talk about too much today. Once the basic technology layer goes live, then we will talk about the automated trading engine. This is the data feedback system. And don't worry, I'm going to share the white paper with you all right now so that you all, once I finish the explanation, I'm going to share this document with you so you all can read it till tomorrow. So every automated trade executed on Rift through Rift contributes improving multiple parts of the system because it's artificial intelligence backed. It has an intelligence layer, it has a strategy engine, it has a risk framework, it has execution infrastructure. And every single aspect, every single layer fills in with more trades, and the more trades you execute, the better the system is going to turn out to be. It's going to learn. It's going to understand trade outcomes for, and it provides data for analyzing entry efficiency, volatility behavior, stop loss effectiveness, profit capture patterns. Then the strategy engine gets trained with strategy parameters, entry conditions, exit structures, signals reliability. How reliable is the system? How reliable is the volatility in the market? Is bounce back of Bitcoin feasible enough to take a position of short position on Bitcoin or long position of Bitcoin right now. So everything that you execute, every action that you place on Rift is again the learning part, bounces back to the algorithm, which learns and improves with time, with every trade. Then the risk framework, which becomes smarter and smarter with every trade that you execute. Position sizing efficiency builds, stop loss placement builds, market volatility exposure gets more intelligent with every trade. Then there is portfolio concentration. Let's say there are 100,000 users on the platform, and out of 100,000, if 10,000 are trading only with Bitcoin, silver, gold, or stocks of Apple, Tesla only, there is portfolio concentration of few selected particular assets, or you are trading in, let's say there is oil crisis, commodity crisis of various gases, you are trading in few gases, you are trading in few commodities currently. So platform is going to give you diversified uh, suggestions of strategies that it's going to publish for you, that most of the people are trading in this is a huge heavy volatility segment. You should also place a trade, and that would be profitable for you. This is how the behavior of the intelligence layer works. Then there is execution infrastructure that learns and that becomes smart with every order fill pattern, latency behavior of the market, rejection scenario of the market, precision mismatches of the orders that are there. And this I'm talking about the human part, the manual trading part of Rift. Then there is data scale progression of the platform. At current data set, it has several thousand trade outcomes, and we have projected 20,000 active traders within this next 1 to 2 months. I believe this is going to be in about a week. I'm expecting 20,000 active traders on the platform. How crazy it is going to be. And if all these users, they execute 70 automated trades per day, 365 days per year, that is 511 million trades outcomes annually. This data allows the system to refine trading intelligence, execution performance, and portfolio insights at scale. This is how strong the platform is built, and all these trades are going to be on perpetual trading. Most of you are going to put some money and take leverage. Why not? I mean, if you are getting access to take 10x leverage in a click, you will take it. You should take it. And if you're getting a projected profit of $5 to $10 with every trade, $4 to $5 with every trade, you will definitely go for it. So you easily multiply 11 million with, let's say, $500. It's going to be around $2.5 billion worth of trades executed in 1 year. And that's a bear case that I'm discussing right now. It can go even beyond, even crazier. We are expecting in the first year of performance 100,000 active traders, then you can calculate. Second year, we are expecting 500,000 active traders. Then coming back to the core infrastructure layers of Rift, it operates through 6 interconnected technology layers on which it is built. Intelligent layer, intelligence layer, strategy layer, risk framework, validation layer, execution layer, then portfolio intelligence layer on which it manages, monitors the portfolio exposure that you have executed trades for. This is the manual human part of Rift. Together, these layers create comprehensive automated trading infrastructure. So after you learn and understand the whole reason why I'm pushing the demo trading version live first is to gather data and give you understanding as to how automated trading engine is going to work. You'll have first hand experience of the tool the understanding how trades are working, the understanding as to how profits are booked, how opportunities, how strategies are mentioned in front of you, and you are acting and reacting on the strategies. And that's when you will understand how the automated trading system engine is going to work and how it's working. And then comes the automation workflow of tool, how it works. So altogether different from the traditional workflow patterns on Binance, on Bybit, on MEXC, on different centralized exchanges, on different decentralized exchanges. It is entirely automated. There is a very strict trading discipline which Rift follows. Then comes the biggest challenge that we have faced in the industry, that is the scalability of the product. The platform architecture is designed to scale alongside trading activity. Key scalable factors include modular automation engine, distributed data processing, adaptable execution infrastructure, and expanded venue integrations. As trading volume increases, the platform's intelligence systems improve through larger datasets and continuous learning system. Then future infrastructure expansion of Rift includes the advanced portfolio intelligence, dynamic risk calibration with particular trades, and cross-venue execution. It will have integration with multiple derivatives apart from Hyperliquid, and it will have different uh, liquidity access venues to get more access to bigger and more diversified liquidity. Then automated portfolio rebalancing. Automated portfolio rebalancing is still there at a certain level, and you will observe it once you will use the product from morning. So the capabilities of Rift will transform into a fully automated trading infrastructure. This is the technology objective of Risk. The objective of Rift is to simplify participation in complex markets through structured automation and scalable infrastructure. The most important aspect that we carefully looked upon was the scalability part of Rift, and that was pretty much 99% solved by Hyperliquid, development on Hyperliquid, and rest of the models, rest of the layers we built in the AI tool in such a fashion that it can hold and it can withstand millions of users at the same time. Then comes the competitive landscape. So if we look at the trading industry problem, India ranks top in retail traders losing money. 91% of the retail traders, they lose money. Then we have Brazil, also 97% of the retail traders, they lose money. Take a screenshot of this data where you have to recruit more. In EU, there are 74 to 89% retail trader loss rate. Then in UK, 69 to 82% retail traders, they lose. Australia, around 72% is the rate. Despite of the regulatory interventions such as warnings, education programs, leverage restrictions, risk disclosures, these money traders, they lose money. So Rift addresses this gap by integrating automation and structured trading workflows. And these sources are official sources of ASIC Australia, SEBI in India, FCA, ESMA, CVM Brazil. Now let's look at the competitive terrain of Rift. We have compared the product with existing tools which are there in the market. This pitch deck, this portfolio is going to compare everything A to Z which is there in the market. Initially, first of all, our platform is an automated trading platform. So no such platform was there in the market which allowed automated trading engine along with manual execution of trade. There were some tools which were also non-custodial, like Hyperliquid and DYDX, which do not offer automated trading engine. What we do, they offer just the execution or decentralized derivatives on which there are fast trading accesses on Telegram bots. But when we compared with different other models, even with Binance, Bybit, OKX, centralized exchanges in which the custody is not yours, we were kind of at the edge. So we can freely compare Rift with Telegram trading bots, DeFi perpetual protocols, AI trading tools, centralized exchanges, retail brokers which are there in market. Everything can be compared, everything can be, gauged and measured. And these sources are also official information sources, CoinGecko, DeFi Llama, company filings. Then comes Rift, core differentiators of Rift. Automated trading intelligence. System generates structured trading strategies based on market signals. Then integrated execution, structured risk framework, portfolio intelligence, human controlled automation. Automation assists trading decisions while users retain control over strategy activation. Then structural barriers by competitor strategy. Let's look at each competitor category. If we compare Rift with Telegram bots, DeFi protocols, AI tools, centralized exchanges, and brokers, we will see the capabilities of Rift which it provides and which are again scattered and available in 10 different platforms at a separate level. So in automated strategies, in execution infrastructure, in structured workflows, in portfolio intelligence, in mobile first trading, in non-custodial infrastructure, you will find Rift checking into every aspect which is required for structured, systematic trading infrastructure. Then the empty quadrant, in which execution focused platforms and analysis focused platforms, they work. So, and very few platforms combine execution infrastructure with automated strategy intelligence. Rift is designed specially for this intersection. And as I said, I will repeat again, our human trading part, our manual trading part is automated enough that you just have to look at the information card and see which one is enticing and go with that trade or do not go with that trade. Simple as that. Then we look at the positioning in the market of Telegram bots, centralized exchanges, retail brokers, signal platforms, DeFi derivative protocols. Rift occupies the intersection of automation, execution, and structured trading workflows all at once. Then the industry dynamics. Rift focuses on automation-assisted trading participation, which shifts the platform design philosophy. Rather than optimizing the pure trading speed, Rift optimizes the structured strategy execution. What we have done is overall we brought discipline into trading with a tool. The protocol focuses more on discipline. Then potential competitor responses. This you all can read. I will drop the white paper right away after the explanation. Strategic advantages of Rift, the automation intelligence, the execution infrastructure, portfolio level trading insights. Industry evolution. Let's go to platform economics. Okay. So Rift charges you 0.1%, 10 basis point of the builder fee, or you can say platform fee for trade that you execute. And generally, Telegram trading bots, automated trading bots, they charge 0.5 to 1% of trading fee, or you can say builder fee, or you can say platform fee. We charge just 0.1%, and the platform is gas free. So, and we have given you the revenue formula also, how we make money as a platform. What are the average revenue per user drivers for us? You can read everything, how we calculate unit economics, and what year-on-year user growth we have projected at scale. Year 1, we are predicting to have 50,000 users. This year, 2026, 2,750K users, 28, 500K users. Key model considerations, the automation advantage that we have. Then let's look at the global growth strategy that we have with Rift. Community-driven distribution and internal expansion. Let me go to the... So I don't need to explain how community is built, grown. I'm sitting with the mafias of building the community here. So yeah, can't teach you all how to build the community. Risk and compliance framework of Rift. Automated risk safeguards, transparent trade execution, clear user consent and control, compliance-aware platform design, automated risk safeguards. There is predefined risk parameters. You cannot lose money more than the stop loss which platform has predicted for you. Automated position management, which Rift gives you, which Rift, enforces, or I would say places for you as a platform and suggest you to apply. Then there is exposure monitoring of the real-time tracking of the portfolio's risk exposure, and you can determine, you can see the whole portfolio's risk, and the balancing of the risk also you can formulate and you can monitor. Transparent execution, clear trade confirmation process, transparent fee structure. There is no gas fee, there is just platform fee that we charge for every trade that you execute. And then there is complete transaction records, verifiable execution history of trades that you execute. Then there is more risk management of platform areas that we focus on: infrastructure security, trading system reliability, user protection mechanisms, operational transparency. Well, it's self-custodial wallet. You will get to extract the private keys of the wallet. That means it's your keys, your crypto. Whatever funds you have in the wallet are yours and the keys are with you, so you control the funds. Then long-term sustainability of the product, responsible trading practices, long-term ecosystem health, regulatory awareness, user protection. Then strategic advantage of Rift, stronger platform credibility, improved long-term resilience, regulatory adaptability. If we will face any kind of regulatory requirement, we will be honoring that and will be ensuring that the regulatory principles, new rules and laws will be followed. Higher user trust. We are anyway going to use USDC for Rift in deposits and in payouts that you will be able to put in your self-custodial wallets. So USDC is everywhere uniformly accepted, and it follows the compliance framework of MiCA. It follows CBDC rules throughout the whole globe. Integrated compliance layers which are there inside Rift. Then again, the community opportunity, 3FO community opportunity that we have. And Rift is designed to scale through global affiliate and community ecosystem of 3FO, and 3FO will have exclusive rights to distribute Rift. There will be no other platform that will offer the automated trading engine subscriptions rather than 3FO. So you all will have direct uh, exclusive selling rights of automated trading engine that we have built inside Rift. The community opportunity, then incentives, those are there already on 3FO that we will discuss before Friday, hopefully. When a platform goes live tomorrow, you start trading, you learn everything, then we will discuss about subscription, about how it is going to be, everything later. The goal is to first launch the product and give you the access, and then we discuss everything together. Then this is the end of the memorandum. Now let's go to the product walkthrough. Are you all ready? Perfect.
Yes, we are ready.
This time we did all the homework before.
How about lots of
Chavez.
hearts and thumbs ups and things? Let's see how many people are ready for the walkthrough.
Wow. I think everyone's ready.
Mhm.
And I think your statistics, Chavez, for the UK of 69 to 82% losing trades. I think that's just my statistics. Let alone everybody else in the UK. That's just my statistics.
All right. So now I'm going to show you the interface of the product, how you are going to trade, how you are going to see the product, what you will see first when you will open your demo account, what functionalities, how do you trade, how do you close your trade, everything at once. So I'm training you before launching the product, with the product. So these are the platform functionalities. A
Sorry,
small.
Chavez. Sorry, just one. This isn't the time for questions, please, ladies and gents. Chavez is going to give us a walkthrough. Everybody wants to be paying attention to the walkthrough. So please refrain from putting your hands up. And if Chavez wants to take Q&A, he'll do that afterwards. Thank you. Continue, Chavez.
Okay. First part will be to how to log in. Login part into the tool. So this is a Telegram mini app. This is an app that works on Telegram, TMA. You can add this app onto your browser. It will work like a mobile application, just like every progressive web app. So it works inside Telegram and it only works in mobile phones. It does not work on PCs. You log in with the magic link. You get a link onto your email. And once you confirm, you generate your private keys. You put your private keys and you sign in. So you don't have to lose your private keys. You have to remember. If you lose your private keys, then you cannot log in again to the apps. Make sure you copy paste or write it somewhere and keep it with you. Otherwise, it will be a challenge for you to find the private keys. There will be no other way to extract the private keys. Once you log in with the magic link, you will receive a $10,000 worth of demo trading account, which will enable you to experience the automated trading functionality before committing capital. And this is the trade opportunity cards that you will see. So over every card, you will see potential profit. If you want to trade, you click on trade or you swipe right, like the girl you want to meet or the boy you want to meet, or you swipe left and you just, let them go away. And once you do that, your trade will be placed instantly within milliseconds. You don't have to wait for the execution. You will see key asset pair, you will see trade direction, you will see risk strategy, you will see expected return profile, you will see execution status of the trade. You guys can take a screenshot for tomorrow if you want to take for tomorrow, or I can send this document in the group so that everybody can circulate this for tomorrow. Let me first drop the white paper link. Okay, did you guys get it? Deck.riftprotocol.ai.
Yeah.
Perfect. So these are the opportunity cards or the strategies that I was talking about that you will trade with. This is human trading I'm talking about. This is not automated trading engine. In human trading, you just have to click when you see potential profit and execute. And when you see profits have achieved, then your trade will automatically be closed. The profit will be realized automatically. You don't have to manually close your position even. And even the losses, I will show you it. And then there is lightning mode in the app, which gives you instant trade execution with leverage. So there is default leverage, which you can set up to 10x with default spend. Let's say you have $10,000 in your wallet and you set every trade at $100 with leverage of 3x. So you keep on clicking the trades, you execute 100 trades with 3x leverage in 10 seconds or 1 minute, no problem. That's the lightning mode on the product, which gives you ability to trade very, very fast. It is designed to accelerate trade execution by allowing users to place trades instantly without opening the detailed trade drawer. So you don't have to go check the opportunity. If you want to just quickly trade, you do it with lightning mode. And you can set your default capital allocation, default spend per trade, and leverage also per trade. Then you will have a demo account that will be assigned to you with $10,000 trading limit, and you can reset it also. But first day competition will be not to reset the trading limit of 10,000, but to come after losing whole money. See, we traded, this must be some tester who traded and they lost $108 after a lot of trades. We will see how many trades they placed. Then there is high risk mode in the app, which allows traders to increase the profit and loss range of a trade by applying multiplier to the take profit and stop loss level. So in every trade, there is take profit and stop loss. Whenever you place a trade, there's a limit of money which you can lose. There's a limit of money which you can make. Above that, the trade is closed. Either it hits stop loss or take profit, the trade is closed. As simple as that. No logic, no brainer in that. You see an opportunity, you see here, you can potentially make $4. If you will lose, let's say at stop loss 0.90, your trade will be already closed, automatically be closed. The app restricts you to lose money. This is the functionality of the app. Then after high risk mode, you see you have automated trading engine, which I'm not going to talk too much about today. First, you use the demo mode, you learn, understand how Rift works. Then we will talk about automated trading engine, how it works, how it does risk management, how it does optimized routing of the trades. Then we have filters of various trading directions, long, short. Then we have asset types. Currently, we are live with crypto. We are not live with stocks, commodities, and forex. But very soon, I believe within April itself, we will be live with stocks, commodities, and forex as well. So that you'll be able to trade in crypto, stocks, forex, commodities all at once at the same time with the same funds with the same amount of uh, you know leverage like this. You can also borrow up to 10x leverage while trading stocks, while trading uh, commodities, while trading forex. Then there is card indicators of different indicators that are available on DEXs: RSI, MA, MACD, ADX, BB. Then there is portfolio section in which you will the assets that you are going to trade with, the trades which are active, trades which are closed, and as I said, there is force close all trade feature uh, yesterday. With portfolio section, you can track active trades, trade history, you can monitor account balance, profit and loss. There will be PNL here, there will be ROI here, there will be number of trades here. The portfolio dashboard provides real-time insights into how users' capital is being deployed within the platform. This helps traders maintain visibility into their positions and manage their trading activity efficiently. Then there is closing trade. So as I said, there are 2 points with which trade is placed. When you place a trade, there will be 2 points. One will be stop loss, one will be take profit. The moment your trade goes to take profit, it will be closed with the profit. The moment it reaches to the stop loss, it will be closed with the loss. And if you want to force closes before it hits stop loss or take profit, you can do that as well. But it will show you that you have 50 cents of unrealized profit or $1 of unrealized profit, or 10 trades that are making you money, 5 trades that are losing your money. Both will be shown, and you can do that according to your wish. Distance to stop loss and distance to take profit will both be shown here. An unrealized PNL will be shown so that you can force close the particular trade. Then you will have ability to close all the trades. Let's say you are going to bed, you don't want to go to bed with stress. You have 9 active positions open, in which 3 are winning, 6 are losing, but then also you are making $2, you close it and sleep peacefully. Not a problem. Then there is leaderboard of all the traders that are there on the platform. You see the insights, transaction hashes, the trades which are placed. Then there are settings inside the dashboard interface mode. There is light mode, dark mode, there is security setting, there is notification preferences. You have to keep your notifications on Telegram to receive push notifications of the trades that will be automatically closed, because the stop loss and take profit will hit automatically. If stop loss hits, then the trade will be closed. If take profit hits, then the trade will be closed. If it is projecting you $4 worth of profit, if you receive $4, the trade will be automatically closed by sending you $4. The $4 will arrive in your wallet and the trade will automatically be closed. As simple as that. Then current stage, we are supporting cryptocurrency trading only. Then we are expanding with Forex, global stocks, commodities, all of them. So this is how simple Rift is. This is how exceptional and how user friendly it is. You just click, 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 execute the trade, and let your funds do the job in automated trading engine. I will not talk about automated trading engine today. I will talk about it starting from Friday, when we learn and understand the whole product first. So the goal is to understand and deeply learn about what the product does, how it does it, everything, and then we talk about the subscription model, or even we touch at the automated trading engine. So that is it. And everybody who attended the call today is going to be whitelisted, because the product is of free access to everyone. Nobody needs to go to nobody has to fill any form, nobody has to go to any upline. You can go and access the product as it is. Just create a magic link, put your email, you can access the product. Everybody, infinite number of times, will get demo trading limit of $10,000. No restrictions for the product use. In fact, after the launch, there will be no fee to access the product. The access will be absolutely free of cost. Only you have to pay the platform fee 0.1% per trade, and the product is absolutely gas free. There will be no gas fee that will be applied on the product. There will be no hidden deduction of your balances while trading. And I have shown you the manual trading part in this PDF that I shared with you. This is the manual trading part, in which you will see this much profit I'm making, and the Rift is automatically closing your trade on profit and on stop loss both. So the manual trading, the human part, is so automatic that it does half of the job for you. You just have to identify and see what profit you want to make, what position you want to place, long or short, which asset you want to trade with, and the amount. That's it. Nothing else. Rest everything is automated, is being done by the app itself. And after we learn all that, we understand everything, we will talk about the automated trading engine post that. That is it, folks. Thank you so much for joining. I believe you all had limited or understanding of the product that I shared. I believe tomorrow, when you will get your hands on it, it will be more, you will be able to connect more with it, and you will be able to understand what I explained. And especially the risk part of the product will be more understandable from tomorrow, because it will be difficult for you to lose money on the tool. Because you will see stop loss hitting with some orders and you will close it. I freaking made $1,081 in the demo trading version in, I believe, 6 to 7 hours. I was just playing with the trades. Long, short, 3 long, 3 short, like that. I was doing some games, 3 long, 3 short with $500, and I was just creating a strategy just to lose money. And I made money. It's crazy.
Very exciting, Chavez. I think there is so much information there. Undoubtedly, it's going to take time for everybody to process that information. But what an exciting week. Very much looking forward to tomorrow and the rest of the week. Let's go to the panel. Carl.
Thanks, Joe. Well, Chavez, this is going to create a lot of flutter, I'm sure. My first question is, the answer is focused to Yin somewhere in the crowd, my Korean downline. How quickly can we get Nick to produce multi-language of the PDFs and everything? You don't have to answer that. It's just a hint question. What of the other markets, what ones are coming in what order? So you've got Forex, etc. Which ones are coming first?
all of them, commodities, forex, stocks, all will be integrated in April itself. Firstly, we are
Okay.
going live. Everything is built already, and forex, commodities, stocks, everything is already supported by Hyperliquid. So we don't have to build another layer of execution for all these different other asset types. We just have to use the same integration, put some more APIs, and actually it is going to take some more time because crypto was easier in terms of execution. That's why we built it. And I so wanted to push the product live first with the crypto so that you all can start using it.
I'll put my my tech hat on. Some things that I've noticed with 3FO, there's a lot of calculations in the background. Because one of the things that, as a geek, I bemuse is that people are taught to program in universities now with point and click GUI interfaces, and they're not taught basic efficient programming techniques. And I can see there's some floating point calculations that should be done in decimal calculations. There's decimal calculations that should be done in integer. Are you going to be implementing a monitoring that will look for execution bottlenecks so that you can improve the code? And or will you be also looking at the hardware that this is running on to make sure it's keeping pace with that growth from 50,000 to 500,000 users?
Okay, we can do that. I mean, this is, I think most of the figures are rounded off on 3FO. We do that with algos and we just round it off. Sometimes it is in our favor as a platform, sometimes it is in users' favor as a user. So it's just rounding off so that there is no hassle. We can do that in 6 figures after point, no problem. That is not an issue for us. That's just crypto thing to do it. But we prefer to round it off for the retail users because the platform is built for the retail users.
Mm-hmm. And I'm planning on getting another phone. I can just see with Telegram notifications on, my PC version of Telegram is just going to go bing, 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 bing. So I'm going to set this up on a separate device, just to save my sanity.
It won't work on the PC Telegram. It will only work on the mobile Telegram.
Yeah, but the notifications will.
Notification. Yes.
Yeah.
So that depends on how many trades you execute. Let's say you execute hundreds of trades and all are open, so you will get notifications.
I can see service industries where people are sitting, again, this is directed to Jin, where they're sitting waiting for a customer to come in, they can be on their phone. So I think this is going to be very exciting for her.
Very exciting. It is. It is going to be very exciting for the service industry people working in different jobs. They will just use the phone and, people working in grocery shops, especially the gamified, markets, potential markets in Latin America where people are always on their phone, especially in Africa where people have access to internet and they just want to do something to make $5 to $10 a day. This is a crazy opportunity that is going to blow the entire Latin America, Africa, India away. We have seen Indians, they lose a lot of money in retail trading, so this is the answer for them.
Yeah, I do also comment on what Joe said. I noticed Australia is the best of the worst at losing.
Yes.
Okay, Eunice.
It just occurs to me how fortuitous it is that I have my partner as a tech geek. I suspect that this will come in very handy over the coming weeks. Just before I go to Eunice, Chavez, will we be able to have the profits going directly to Liquid Pay when Liquid Pay goes live?
Sure, you can. But this probably we will go live with USDC Hyperliquid. We are just deciding it right now. We can go with multi-assets as well, but I'll prefer to keep USDC Hyperliquid. Then we have to integrate Hyperliquid as a chain on LiquidPay first, and then you can do that. But initially, but USDC to USDC conversion usually is $1 or $2 maximum. So very easy.
Interesting. Good.
Mm.
Trade and spend.
Trade and spend, simply.
Eunice.
Hey, Chavez, this time, my mind is blow up. Okay. And let me ask you something. I believe it's isolate margin, no? We don't do cross margin here. Okay.
It's isolate margin.
Okay. And the systems you say the system that will probably open, give you the possibility to open 70 orders. In this case, who decide the margin? We decide the margin, or the system will decide the margin for us?
You decide the margin. With
I decide the margin.
I will not talk about automated trading engine, I promised. So I will
No,
not.
I'm talking about the manual one. When the pop up, the signals pop up, they already have like a certain percentage of the margin depending on the amount I pledge into the system, no?
You get to decide the profit, the margin.
Okay. And you say the profits, there are there are no fees actually in Hyperliquid. The fees are actually in the our ledger in this case, I would say,
No.
for 0.1%.
Hyperliquid has a fees, and on top of that, we have some platform fee.
Okay. And but when the trade is executed, the system will calculate all the fees at one, and we actually, when we see the amount of P&L, we see the net profit that we have.
Net profit,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. And you say that will start tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the demo version will go live for you guys. 1 week, you guys get your hands, equipped with the demo version, and Friday or maximum by Saturday, we go live with the real trading of the real assets.
Everything will be perpetual futures, you say?
Everything.
Okay,
It can be without it. Yeah, everything will be perpetual features.
Perfect. Thank you, Chavez. Just wait for to
very much,
be
Eunice.
part of the. Thank you.
Do you want to take half a dozen questions from the community, Chavez?
I believe let's do the Q&A tomorrow because it will be more interesting for us to get to the Q&A tomorrow once we hand over the tool. I think the platform is going to experience huge traffic tomorrow, so we are preparing it. So I need to go back to my tech team and make sure that we do enough of the housekeeping and we manage the scalability part from tomorrow because huge traffic is going to be diverted. I was in Vietnamese Zoom and there were a lot of people today already. They are hungry, waiting for the product to go live and they just get access. Which is the same case in UK Prime Time. I was not able to enter the Zoom as usual, and yeah, it is
Don't worry,
exciting.
Chavez. It's because we were talking about you before you got in. We didn't want you to hear.
So yeah, can't wait for tomorrow. And so usual time tomorrow will be 7 p.m. UK time, and before that we will push it live. Once it is live, there will be information on Telegram. Follow 3FO official channel. We will post Rift official channels on Telegram. You have the website now, riftprotocol.ai. You will be able to get the information from there as well. Rest, we will start the trading hackathon on call. We will see who loses the most, the fastest. So yeah, can't wait.
Fantastic. I've got a quick question. Somebody's asking about how you're going to get the emails.
No, yes. I just wanted everybody to be here.
Yeah. Okay, Chavez, what can one say? Another fantastic Zoom, very, very exciting times ahead. I'm sure everybody is eager and waiting, those whether they're here or whether they're watching on YouTube. I'm sure they found every part of that fascinating. So before we close out, perhaps Lucky would like to make some closing comments.
Yes, Joe. Chavez, you have built such a sophisticated platform and done it very quietly. There's no hype, no information, and you just build the product and came in and say, here it is, and I'm going to give it to you. So I think it's a pleasant surprise for everyone and much needed, I think, for this community, and after Boomerang, I know you didn't rest. You were constantly working to find a different product, and then how you combined everything is pretty amazing. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow and seeing how it works and get our hands on it, and it will be amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's really, really crazy. Can't wait. I think we are going to I'm expecting at least 5 to 7,000 users trading with demo trading limit tomorrow. So
Yeah.
let's see. We are prepared for more than that, but yes, just getting expected traffic is that.
I think Carl
Amazing.
has something to add.
Obviously, everyone should be in the 3FO Telegram group to gather that information if you don't go to the Rift website. And if you're on the YouTube streaming, go to 3fo.ai, click on social media and drop down to Telegram and get the link from there. But for people here, it's in the chat.
Fantastic. There you go. That is everything said. So I think we can wrap up. So remember, same time tomorrow night, Chavez, 7 p.m. UK time.
Same time, yes. 7 p.m.
Fantastic. So make sure you don't miss out. Join us tomorrow night for the continuation of this journey, 7 p.m. UK time. Have a great evening, folks. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
No
Good night.
US prime time today.
Oh, yeah. No US prime time today or tomorrow. Good night, all.
Thank you, Chavez.
Thank you. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.